Students on the Kansas side of the state line are back in the classroom after Sunday's blizzard, but many Missouri schools in the metro are still closed. KMBC 9's Andy Alcock takes a closer look at the problems school administrators are facing in the Northland.
We're in a subdivision just south of 64th Street called The Woods. Now we're told KCMO snowplow crews have been here a couple of times, but as you can see, this cul-de-sac here is still largely snow and ice covered as some folks are working on a driveway here.
The ice is frozen down with the sub-zero temperature.
It was a problem for Rich and Joyce Grobel. They needed help from neighbors to get their car freed after Joyce tried to go to the grocery store.
We just want to make sure that those buses are safe on the roads.
Jim Rich has a much bigger concern. As the transportation director of Park Hill Schools, 70% of the district students take the bus to school. For the last several days, he's driven around neighborhoods like The Woods to see if they're safe enough for the school buses. So far this week, the answer has been no.
They've been struggling to get plowed, and the ones they do have are getting snowpacked, so they are continuing to be slick, and of course, melting and refreezing overnight. That adds to the problem, especially in the morning for morning routes, picking up kids.
7 different municipalities are responsible for plowing snow in the Park Hill School District, with the largest one being Kansas City. Coming up at 5 o'clock, we will hear from the Public Works Director of KCMO about the ongoing challenges of clearing neighborhood streets. In the Northland, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
Park Hill students have had virtual learning while the schools have been closed.